Using Fractal Video Shufflr, you can make all kinds of AI videos. One of the easiest AI videos to make is an ASMR video. You've probably seen these videos online everywhere. I'll show a screen or a video of it right now on the screen, but it's so easy to make this type of video using Fractal Video Shufflr. And if you don't know what this tool is, it is a full YouTube automation studio. It offers many different features, so make sure to check out every video on this channel to understand exactly what you can do with it. But in this video, we're going to make an ASMR video. So it's super simple. Just click Create with AI. Click Generate Script from a simple script. And then we're going to make sure we are selecting on ASMR. And this is a diamond only feature, so you must have the diamond plan to use it. But it creates ASMR satisfying cut videos. And so you'll see how easy it is. You can choose a fruit or a vegetable here. You can choose whatever one you want, or you can have it choose random, which is what we're going to do because we want it to randomize throughout the video. And so that's pretty much it. And then we just click next. We're going to make it short, so I want this to be 1 minute. And we're going to skip voice because we don't really need that. We're going to use the sound, and that's pretty much it. Just click Create Video. And just like that, now we have the videos. And so now you have the exact video you need. All you have to do is go to File, then Export, and you have your ASMR video ready to upload. If you want to make this a short, just make sure to go ahead and take this into a vertical, and it'll make that a square. Of course, you can always scale it by going to the basic settings over here and then just scaling that up. And yeah, go on the File and then Export. And just like that, you have a ASMR video created in 1 click. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like on it. This program is going to continue to add more and more features, so there's going to be other different styles of videos that this will be able to make. This will, of course, get better over time, and I will continue to work on it as long as people continue to support. So if you do like this type of video, this type of content, this type of software, please let me know in the comments and subscribe to see more videos like this. That's all I got for this one, and I'll see you all in the next one.